Good to be back, eh?
It's nice.
It is, isn't it? Well, not been here for a little while myself, actually. Say again, mate.
A lot of noise at the start there.
What? I mean the barrier or the... Oh, it's that... Oh, it's the bloody thingies, the lidars. Yeah, they always open when before the crossings. Well, they open after the red lights start flashing, just before the barriers come down.
They're louder, I remember.
Yeah, they're a bit louder than they're a bit louder in person, I think, than they are on camera. But Scotwicks, you'll know about them. They're well creaky. They go before when they're opening like that. I'll have to go and visit Scotwick at some point again. Well, while you're here anyway. What am I standing here for? I could get a good shot of the train from there. And they've cut all the fields as well, which is good. There it is.